Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor for those of you who are new here. So for this video, I wanted to share some tips on how you can de-stress and get back into the right mindset. But really quick, before I get into all of those tips, I just wanted to share the reason why I decided to make this video. Basically, last week I ran out of my normal cleanser and I needed to obviously buy another one. But when I went to the store, I couldn't find it anywhere and I was super confused. And I saw another bottle by the same brand that had like the exact same name of my cleanser. So I just thought they changed the bottle. Boy, was I wrong. That was not my cleanser. So I used it that night, and then when I woke up in the morning, my face was literally covered in a huge rash. I had bumps all over my skin and my face hurt. So I was just super annoyed and stressed out from this happening. Luckily, it's been a little over a week since it happened and my face is basically back to normal. So I'm really happy about that. So what I'm trying to get at with this story is that last week I was super stressed out, and the tips I'm about to share with you really helped me get out of my funk and get back into the right mindset. So that's why I want to share them with you in case you're going through a stressful situation like I was and you just need some help. So don't worry, I got you. Just keep watching if you want to hear what my tips are. Starting it off with tip number 1, and that is to journal. This is something that I recently got into about 2 weeks ago. I think this is just a great way to vent. Sometimes there's not anyone around and you just really want to get everything you're thinking out. So I think journaling is the perfect solution to that. I've been finding it super helpful, so I definitely think it's worth trying. I know it might not be for everybody, but I do think it's a really helpful way to relieve some stress. Also, if you are planning on journaling, I do recommend that you find like a cute journal, just because it's going to make you want to write in it more. For me personally, I use this journal. It's this super cute butterfly, really artsy journal. And I knew that it would push me to journal because it's just super cute and I knew I would want to write in it. Tip number 2 is to work out. I know you probably couldn't have guessed I was gonna say this, but yes, working out is actually the best stress reliever in my opinion. I know that when I go days without working out, I am such a crab. I am in the worst mood ever, and I always know it's because I haven't worked out. Working out just releases these endorphins that make you a lot happier and in a better mood. I guarantee if you get some physical activity, whether it be going on a bike ride, going on a walk, taking your pet for a walk, going to the gym, working out at home, or whatever, I promise you will feel a lot less stressed. Moving on to tip number 3, and that is to declutter. Sometimes we don't realize that physical things that we have are actually weighing down our mind. It's kind of like this extra baggage that you're carrying around for no reason. So what I would recommend is going through everything that you own. You can start off with like your closet because it's probably the easiest place to start, but really decide what you need and what you don't. I've said this before in one of my past videos. Honestly, having a clean space can give you a clearer mind. Believe me, decluttering is super rewarding and can really release some stress that is weighing on your shoulders. Number 4 is to take a shower. We all know that after a long day, taking a long, nice, hot shower is just super relaxing and can just really help us clear our minds. So if you're feeling super stressed out and you have the opportunity, definitely take a nice, long, hot shower. Enjoy the warm water hitting you, relax your body, relax your mind, and just de-stress. My last and final tip for you is probably the next most effective one next to working out, and that is to spend time with your pets. Our pets love us unconditionally and they're honestly the best support team. We all know that once you see your pet or once you're cuddling with them, you immediately feel so much better. But I do want to point out that I know that not everyone has pets, but that's okay. You can always find a family member or a friend and have them comfort you and distract you from your stress. Alright guys, well those are all the tips that I wanted to share with you. I hope you found at least one of them helpful. And if you do like these kind of life tip videos, make sure to subscribe. I love making them. And also, if you have another tip for relieving stress that I didn't mention, make sure to leave it in the comments. It would be super helpful for everyone. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!